Hi everyone, just another quick video on some more Google updates. They just keep coming, which is super exciting. So today I'm going to show you how you can see more people or less people in your Google Meet with their expanded grid view, as well as how you can blur your background. So you can find these under the three dots, and you can change your layout. And you'll notice here you're going to have a different view. So you can choose auto, tiled, spotlight, sidebar. With the tiled, and actually with all of these, there's a slider bar at the bottom that can go up to having 49 people viewable in a single Google Meet, which is going to make it a lot easier to see your students online. But if you read this super tiny small print here, it does say selection is not saved for future meetings. So just be aware that that is going to have to be changed each time you join your meet. So the other update I want to show you is the background blur. You're going to find that under the three dots, and here's where you can turn on background blur. Look what's going to happen. And even as I move around, you can see my blur changes. One thing that I discovered using this, because in my virtual teaching I have a dot cam set up for me, so you do need to be careful if you go and switch your cameras. Look what happens. Your dot cam is also blurry, and now where's my hundreds chart? You can't see it. So just something to look out for. So if you're super excited about these updates, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Until next time, or the next Google Meet update. Bye everyone.